Guys, look. It's a tiny little baby bird. Look at him. Bro, been chilling. Bro's taking a free ride. Look at the bird on the swiper. Nah. That bird been chilling, bro. That bird been chilling for a free ride. Look at it. He's so cute. I wanna pet him. I wanna pet him. Gucci, Gucci. Look, it's a bird.
How can you zoom that in? I can.
I can zoom this far because it's Samsung, bro. Look at that bird. Wow. Guys, the bird is still there. It's still there, bro.
The bird
Look.
thinks you're famous on YouTube.
This bird is about to be famous. Guys, the bird is trying to fly away. The car is there with the bird. Did he fly away?
No,
Wait.
he's on the ground.
Is he? Oh, he's on the ground? No way.
No way.
I'ma zoom in. I'ma zoom in.
Be careful.
No, he got on the ground. No. So we caught the bird. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at him. Who wants to eat food?
Als die MB zijn of wat dit
Let's name the bird Jimmy. Change the name to Lilo. That's my job is to be a camel man. Camel man is on. Bruh, I'm the camel man. I'm supposed to post this on YouTube. Yo, the bomb has been planted. Look at the bomb. Oh, bomb has been planted. My dad is about to light it. Let's go.
With his manager.
I would like to speak to your manager.
No.
Nee, maar jullie zijn druk hoor. Als ik aan de telefoon...
Yes, sir! Jeez, look at all that smoke. That job is to be a camel man. Bro, go back. Go back. Bro, that was epic. Nah.
Was louder.
Yes, you know what to do, right? My job is to be a camel man. Let's go.
Okay.
It's gonna shoot the boombal. The firework is gonna shoot.
Super bombastic bumble.
You.
Let's go.
I say go back.
Go back.
Go back. Go back. Oh, it's lighted. My job is to be a cameraman. Oh, damn! I told you guys, my job is to be a cameraman. My job is to be a cameraman. Guys, I think we gotta get another one. There's another one.
Another one.
Oh wait, he's putting it. He's putting it.
I need to see this.
My job is to be a cameraman.
Cameraman. Cameraman. Cameraman.
Look at it.
Daddy, go. Are we gonna hear the other one? No.
No, bro.
No, that one is short. That one is short. Swishy.
He's lighting it. He's lighting it. My brother, run. My job is to be a cameraman. I think I have to record again because they have 2 more.
Yeah, I think those are the.
For the cemetery. We're just gonna shoot it. We're gonna shoot it.
Iman's died too.
Are we going?
Take in.
Oh wait. Move your head.
Record from him, okay?
My job is to be a cameraman. Oh wait, they light it. My job is to be a cameraman.
You have to record one more time, okay?
Bro, one more time. This is the final boss.
Di man natin yung auto dito.
Bruh, it's so rainy out here, so windy. I think we're done.
No, we're not done.